In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a portable dishwasher. I got this bad boy for $50 used. If you look at my kitchen, we don't have a dishwasher built into it. Live in an apartment, you need a portable dishwasher because your girlfriend spends all day getting pissed about the dishes. You get dirty shit in there, who knows what it is. So, load it up with dirty dishes. And on a portable dishwasher, there are 3 tubes coming out the back. One is your power cable, one's your output, and I'm lucky enough that these cables have added on extensions, so I can run the dishwasher a little bit farther away from the sink from the lady I bought it from before me. Thank you, whatever your name was. I got it on a buy-sell trade online. It's a great deal, and I would recommend to anyone who lives in an apartment and doesn't have a dishwasher to get them. So then you got your input cable, or tube, or whatever. Also has an added-on extension, nice high quality there. Our sink, I just took it off to do this video, but I'll show you real quick. Our sink normally has this pure water filter on it. So, gotta take if you have one of these, which I also recommend you get, so you don't drink lead, take that off, and then there'll be an adapter. You'll have one of these anyway. Take that adapter off, and then you've got another adapter. If you look at this closely, it has threads. This is like the main reason I'm making this video, because no one has any idea that you have to have this to have a portable dishwasher. But so you're gonna get this thing if you get a portable dishwasher. If they try to sell you one and it doesn't have this, unless you're getting a really good deal, I wouldn't do it. I think you can probably get it at Ace Hardware or something. I don't know. But so you screw that on finger tight onto there. It's got threads to screw on, and then you attach this input thing onto there. Kind of hard holding this, but I think I can do it. So you screw it on, also finger tight, because I have learned that if you over tighten it, you will get leaks. But one thing you want to do, I'm going to set this down for a second, see if I can give a shot. You want to, I kind of use the tube as a wrench, so I hold this part up here, then I grab down here and move it to the loosen position, and then I turn it, and that actually turns the top piece if I let go up here. So I do that a few times, but not too much that it's like overly tight, or else you will get leaks. You make sure your water's in the hot position before you turn it on, and turn it on, no leaks. That is a good thing, because I had a leak and trying to fix it, and it's bullshit. So then you plug your power cable into the wall. Shit. Plug that in over there. Make sure your hands are not wet when you do that. And then I use dishwasher tablets, so I find them more convenient. I know theoretically the other stuff is less wasteful, but I think those are great. And you fill up this. Make sure you do it on the side that says, oh, I already got one in there, but in the main wash side. Close that up, and then you gotta figure out how your dishwasher runs. For mine personally, I leave all this stuff, pots and pans on, temp sets on, heated dry on, and then over here this just turns to normal wash. Really, from this point it just works like a normal dishwasher, but I know if you're watching this you probably want to be sure. And it just goes. Mine doesn't have any lights, kind of scary, but I've learned to trust it, and it works great, and I have clean dishes.